All right, we are back. I've got the pieces all painted up and ready to go. I hit some interior detail with some panel line marker to kind of make it pop. It's going to be on the inside of the intake, so unless you're shining a flashlight down inside there, you're really not going to be able to see it. But you know, I kind of want to make it look pretty cool. So all right, I got the pieces. I'm going to get them assembled, and I will be back when they're assembled. Okay, we're done. We got our pieces glued on these. These were supposed to stay light gray. Got the intakes done. Kind of hard to see down inside there. Maybe, hold on, let me get in some light. Maybe you can see. There we go. Get them all nice and painted inside there. There we go. Show you the other one. Excuse my air compressor, it likes to go. Got that done, so it's looking good. All right. We'll be back with the next set of instructions on what we need to do. All right, I went ahead and attached the intakes because once, forgive me, I'm gonna have to do some serious fixing of that because they were terrible getting in there. I went ahead and glued them in there because it was a pain getting them to slide in there like they were supposed to. So I'm gonna have some putty work to do on that, but yeah. Not my finest hour on that one, and then I had to put this in. This is for the tail fins, I'm assuming, so they can swivel in here because you don't glue that part down. So I've got the top and that. I'm gonna match them two together. Hopefully they'll go together fairly decent, and then we'll come back with our next step. All right, we are back. I've got everything snipped for our next little venture. We went ahead and got this all assembled together. Seems they're okay. Went ahead and painted the wheelbase white while I was at it. Let me show you there. It wasn't too bad putting that together, so we're gonna go ahead and get this stuff assembled on there, and when I got that done, we'll be back, and I'm probably gonna get it primed after I get all these pieces on there. So it'll probably be black, and then maybe even modeled at that point with some white, and then yeah, then we'll go from there. All right, I'll be right back. All right, we got those pieces assembled. Spin her around here for you. I think we're gonna call it good. I decided not to put any black primer on it yet, but yeah, we got our nose cone on, tail fins and stabilizers are on. Looks like I gotta mess with that a little bit. I don't like the way that's sitting. We'll fix that. But yeah, other than that, it's going together pretty good. Yeah, well, I think we'll call it good for this episode. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you wouldn't mind subscribing to the channel if you want to continue on with this build with me. And yeah, we'll be back in the next episode. Thanks for hanging out, guys.